Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Senegalese twist. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. You start by sectioning the hair into three. After you section the hair into three, I'm using an old braiding hair for this tutorial. So you cut out your hair. After cutting out the hair, the one you must have cut out, to divide it into two, as you can see in this video. You place it this way. When you place it this way, you twist. Follow the same method. So with the method of twisting that I did, I'll be sectioning the hair into three. You place the first hair. As I divided it into three, you place the first one, then you take the second one and also hold the third one at the same time. So this way it's divided into three before you start braiding. I would advise you to braid like 3 to 4 steps. You don't have to braid too much whenever you want to do this twist because it gives it more beauty. This is just a normal braiding method. So you start by braiding first before you can now twist. If you want your braids to be longer, you can braid more than 3 to 4 steps. When you are done braiding 3 to 4 steps, you put your finger in the middle of the hair and you divide them equally to the right and left hand of the braid, as you can see. Then you twist both sides. So this twist is basically tight. It's not a loose twist. So I'll be showing you how a loose twist looks like and how a Senegalese twist looks like. So guys, keep watching. To get a perfect twist, you have to twist both sides. Take it to your left and put in between your pinky and your ring finger, and that's the same process you have to keep repeating. Twist them together. Take it to your left and put it quickly in between your pinky and your ring finger, and that's how the twist. That's how you get a very tight twist whenever you want to twist. You make sure you twist them together. Like while you are twisting the other part, you're also twisting the left part. While you are twisting the right part, you're also twisting the left. As you guys can see, I left the hair. It didn't unravel. It didn't go up or loose. It's still intact, and that's what everybody wants. We want a twist that even when you drop it, it will still stay. It won't lose. So I'll be showing you guys how I made the loose coils that you saw in that first video on the left hand side. So we start by dividing our hair into two. This time around, we are not going to be braiding. We will section it into two and twist. As you can see in the video, I started by twisting the left part and I twisted the right part also. So we are starting directly this time. There is no braiding in this method. You will have to twist, but you twist loosely. You see, you twist. This twist is not going to be tight. That's why it's called a loose twist. From the first video I did, you can see how the first coils was looking so tight and coily and stuff like that. But this one is tight but also loose. This is what I'm telling you. They are basically different. One has space in between and the other one doesn't have space. Each of them have different pattern of twist, but they are all called twisting. So guys, if you love this video and you find it helpful, please do well to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.